You guys, I've missed you. I am sorry for not making a video for so long. I honestly just needed a few weeks, months, several months to just take a break, completely unplug. I've always wanted to do a cross-country road trip that was super spontaneous, and that was exactly what I did. I took off like 2 months and I just got in my car and I drove and I stayed in all these amazing little towns all across the country, and I found some really amazing things. So I'm probably gonna have to do a few videos on this road trip to show you guys all of the crazy stuff that I found. I don't know if you guys remember my brother from my earlier videos, but I talked him into coming along with me on the first week of this trip. I don't know if you guys remember this little brat or not, but that's my brother. He hasn't been in one of my videos in a really, really long time, so I'm super excited that he's here. We decided to start the road trip going down the historic Route 66. If you've never done a Route 66 road trip, I would highly recommend it. There are so many amazing little towns to see, a lot of really great antiques to find. Initially, this whole trip was not even supposed to be about treasure hunting. It was not supposed to be about work. It was just supposed to be to disconnect and find myself on the road in some poetic way, I suppose. And that lasted for about 20 minutes because I found that there's a reason that I do this for a living, because I absolutely love looking for stuff. 10 minutes, we were already coming up with like crazy ideas. All right, guys, so we just pulled into this tiny little town called Needles, California. Oh no, are we in California or we're in Arizona now? We're in California. Okay, we're still in California. But the goal is to pay for tonight's hotel stay with something that we can find from this antique shop in this town. It's called the Picker's Shack. This antique shop was pretty awesome. They had a lot of stuff and we got super lucky. My gosh. Some Waterford tumblers. Oh, nice. And these are 16 for a set of 4. That is an easy $100. Nice. And then I also got this little guy. Do you like this?
Not really.
Why?
I'm just kidding, it's fine.
It's 15 bucks. I'm getting those.
I walked right by home earlier.
It's because you're a loser.
Yeah.
You don't deserve nice things. This little guy looks a little baccarat-ish. Oh, but it's chipped. It is chipped. So I just don't know. 15 bucks. Let's see if we remove this price tag. There should be a mark. Yep. Little mark. Yeah, so this is baccarat. I think without the chip, it'd probably be worth about $50. I don't know, with these chips, it's probably worth like 30. I'm probably not gonna get that. Got to be more Waterford if I do say so myself. Let's check for the map right there. $8. Thank you. So who knew you could find that much Waterford at such low prices? That was a crazy haul. All of that stuff was actually really valuable. That last Waterford piece wasn't a vase, it was like a hurricane candle holder, and that's really rare and those go for quite a bit of money. I was really, really excited to find all of that stuff, and thankfully, the hotel wasn't super expensive, and I'm not quite sure why because it was quite luxurious. What is this? Oh, also they need to fix, like, what is this? Something needs to be done here. I love it. I'm actually gonna live here. But on top of Route 66 being super historic, there's also a really cool ghost town. You guys, we are in a, what is this? This is a Calico. This is an old ghost town from the 1800s. We're gonna show you some really cool parts of this old ghost town. They've actually done a really good job of keeping it pretty authentic to its original self. They've got an old general store. They have old trading post. They have the sheriff's office. So we'll show you guys some of the cool spots here. I just wanted to show you guys this insane town. Keep in mind, it was 120 degrees outside. Oh, it's a barber shop. I hate when they do this. It's unacceptable. Yeah. Look at this guy's face. No. And like, would it kill them to just dust them off once in a while? Or maybe a wig? I mean, I could think of a few ways to kind of improve the space a bit. This guy looks a little stuck in the mud. Somebody's gotta help him get out of there. Oh, look at this. Dude, is this an old, I think this is an old Hearst. Yeah, it is. It is. Look, it's got the rollers where you'd roll the coffin on.
I can think of a lot of good antiques to put in the back of that.
No, this is an old, it's an old Hearst. That's pretty cool, man. This is the old school building. So I guess you'd have to go over this bridge as a wee child. I hope this is safe. Dude, I don't know. This is concerning, to say the least. But anyways, then you come to this creepy school and I guess learn about things. Wow. $1885. It's all the kids. Wow. That's awesome. Pretty cool. They did have a good view, I will say that. These Calicians knew how to do it. We love abandoned buildings. The creepier, the better. And we ended up passing this old abandoned motel. So I have to just show this to you guys because it was super creepy. We're going in. What is this? What are you doing? Oh, look at this carpet. No. Oh, something really big was in here pooping. Dude, I'm totally digging this original carpeting. This is like a house though. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Getting like the weirdest vibes from this place. I don't like it. This place creeps me out, dude, honestly.
Really creepy.
No, you have to go check out those rooms. That's not okay. Well, that's comforting. Oh, that's creepy. Motel of Lost Souls.
Where do you see that?
There's like a map. Room 28. Room number 28 grams. Oh, this is 28. Can we talk about the creepy, like, spray painted devil symbols all over the walls? After we left this hotel, there was a couple of other antique shops that we wanted to try out and just see if we could find anything good. I found some insane stuff. And one of the things that I found was this incredible Pendleton blanket. They're very expensive, these Pendleton blankets. If you ever go on their website, they go for several $100s. And some of the rarer ones and some of the older ones can even go for a lot more because this is one of those companies that's been around for years and years and years. This particular blanket is actually from their national park collection where they released different blankets for different national parks. This thing is huge, and then it has a tag on it here that tells you which national park it's made for, but then it also has like the Pendleton tag, so it's easy to spot. But like, these are so cool and the quality is amazing. One of the things that I've actually never found is a Murano art glass chandelier. This particular antique store had, it was like a bunch of different booths. And so I don't know if any of you guys have ever gone shopping at one of these places like this before. These antique shops have employees that will help you, and they're not the owners of these booths. These booths are rented out. The people helping you often don't know what's in the booths or how they work. So if you've never handled a Murano chandelier, you don't know that the arms come out. So I did make sure to tell her, and
I think those all come out though, individually.
Oh, those?
Yeah, so I think they...
my heart is still racing till this very day about this moment. Please don't drop that. These things are so expensive and they're so hard to find, and this is the only one I've ever bought. I normally don't keep the things for myself that I find, but can I just show you guys really quick? I did find this blanket that I just had dry cleaned because I'm keeping it. Dun dun dun! You guys! So this is another Pendleton blanket, which I found at an antique shop also. And I paid like $80 for this, but look at the colors on that. Isn't that super cool? I don't actually know what pattern this is. I think it's probably, Pendleton made like a line of blankets called friendship blankets. And I think this might be from that line, but don't quote me. You don't find patterns like this very often. I find like a lot of their other ones, but this is actually got a really cool design to it. So I was super excited about that, and I'm like, yes, dry clean it. I need it in my life. I'm keeping it. And so now It's mine. So you guys, this was super fun. I actually want to hear from you guys. If you've been down Route 66, what were some of your favorite stops? Or if you've been on another amazing road trip that was a really cool route, I would also really be interested to hear about that. I think in my next few videos, I'm gonna be doing a lot of just road trips to places and just seeing what I can find. That's kind of what I'm loving to do right now. And I'm super excited to be able to share this with you guys. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure you do it now so you don't miss future episodes. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.